Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two utility knives. On the left, I got the internet's best premium knife, and on the right, I got the Fiskars Pro. So let's take a look at the Fiskars first. It's got a lever here you're going to have to push up to get the blade to come out, and then it's only got one position all the way out, and it locks in that position. It's got a nice feel to it, gripper here. Now let's talk about this one. And again, this one's got like a gripper handle too. This one has different positions. You can have it just out a little bit, it locks in, push the button down there. And if you go all the way out, it makes for changing the blade. You're going to push the red button and the blade comes in. You can switch it around to put the blade in. Make sure that lever is all the way forward. Push that in till it clicks. It can be a little tricky. And now I've got my blade changed. So here, if I want to change the blade in this one, I've got to make sure it's retracted. We're going to open it up, move that forward. It'll spring open. You can store blades right here. And now when you want to change the blade, you're going to lift it up. Be careful. Okay, so I got the blade out. Now put the new blade in or turn it around. You're going to put that in first. And it's going to line up with those. Then you're going to close this. And now you're ready to go. There's a little bit of size difference. Fiskars about 7 inches. This one's about 6 inches. And thickness-wise, the Fiskar is definitely thicker. But the Fiskars has more grip on it and get your hand on it better. This one's a little bit smaller, but does a good job. So I hope this comparison video has helped. Thanks everybody for watching.